Mikel, Ian right there.
Hi,
How
Ian.
you doing? How are you, boss? Just want to say, well done on this season. Unfortunately, the way it finished wasn't great for all of us. But
True.
what I would ask is that what learnings can we take from this season? We've been progressively getting better. What can we learn from this season?
Well, first of all, that we can compete with anybody under any circumstances. And the circumstances, they've been very special and quite difficult to deal for a long, long time during the season. And we have made, I think, a massive step in the Champions League.
Are we expecting a big summer, boss? I don't want to
Very
say
important.
anything out of line here, but are we expecting a big summer this summer?
Well, if big summer means recruitment and bringing players, it's going to be a big summer for everybody. I think time to reflect, reset, and set again the standards even higher, see how we can improve, be very critical with each of us and the things that we can do better and how we can help this football club to go to another level. And
Very
for sure,
important.
recruitment will be part of that, especially because we are really, really short on numbers. We have
Very
players that
important.
finish in the contract. So, yeah, we need some help.
That's the right message. That's what we want to hear as Arsenal fans. We need the board, the sporting director, the co-chairman in Josh Kroenke to bring the funds, and Andrea Berta, do what you know how best to do. What you did at Atletico Madrid, do it over here, and we're all going to be here to support you. Support this man Arteta so that he can bring us to the promised land. So I'm very happy. It has been confirmed. It's official. This summer is going to be very, very massive. So see you guys later.